nice beginning, yeah. So far, so good.
I want to tell everybody, over the last 30 days, Hayden has texted me that he bought a bike. I don't know if you saw it back there, but there's like a
full natty bra. Green banana, mango, kiwi, from green foods, etc. Trader Joe's, very green. This is what I'm going to be taking today. I got some dates from 7 Hot Dates. I've got some caffeine-free little blocks. I've got some caffeine-free bars. Got a bit of sugar water in there, and I'll carry a lot of it in this little backpack that goes in the back of your bike. And when the sun cranks out, we'll chuck in some arm covers. That's how we do it. Let's see how much we eat by the time we get back.
Listen through, gum. We've walked and drawn our lines, we put our weapons down, our visions turned to gold, and now we're blacking out.
You wouldn't get into that water, would you? No way. Yeah.
Why not?
Fucking man, all these boats have mercerators. I would wait till you get further out of the ocean. Yeah, they dump their shit.
So this is Life Kitchen. It was started up by some ex-McDonald's CEOs, and they do hell vegan menu in there. So that's Life Kitchen. 800 degrees, another vegan menu. It's all happening here, man. The vegan scene is fucking swarming.
Like, that's a rumor I heard too. Exactly.
Started from McDonald's.
So everything's got a V next to it is vegan. They come out of McDonald's, man. It's pretty rad. A little V down there. Vegan. What do you think? Have you been at a Life Kitchen? What do you think? What was your favourite vegan item? Park your bikes here. Park your dogs here. The parking lot. Playa Vista. This is the newest Whole Foods in the US. Apparently. I've also got 2 mangoes here by the beach.
Yeah, our brother got lost in the sea a couple days ago, so they're looking.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Oh,
We've been out here.
they lost their brother. And they're looking. Was he surfing?
buy that Rossen?
I'm 80s.
In that what year? Shoot another shot down there. That's one of the runner girls. Here are the crew. Just had a little bit of a stop. There's a little TV advert we were just talking about then.
Yep. A little break here.
Little break. We're just talking about how powerful YouTube is. Like, you got a few models on here, and it's like, man, that could blow the internet out of the water if they were on YouTube and working hard. But they're getting paid, I don't know, a couple of $1,000 to.
Harley's gonna try and recruit this girl, and he wants to coach her.
I was just doing a hypothetical there, but most people wouldn't do what I was going to say anyway. So it's just like the hypothetical one I always like to throw out there. But California, LA, good place to live. Yeah. Even got free water in the US. It's pretty good. Doesn't even smell too chlorinated.
He said that you've done this ride that he's gonna do. He's gonna do some ride over.
Yeah,
Like from Chiang Mai all the way down to
Bangkok and all that.
yeah. You like him a little drier.
Dates in the gutter. When I was living on welfare in 2008, dates in the gutter. Making 6-figure, still dates in the gutter. Nothing changes.
What did I do? Like, not even 20, 20?
Dude, that is so awesome. You really have to understand that. That is really, really amazing. Yeah, I mean, for your second time out in however many years, you know where we rode right now, like we went in this neighborhood, Kristen, this is your kind of ride. It was like the nicest houses I've ever seen in my life. Like, it was huge, spacious street. It was just amazing. It was amazing. He has texted me that he bought a rice cooker. He has texted me that he went on beautiful hikes. He even ordered oil-free at a restaurant and texted me the picture. This works.
On the number on the scale. So for me, that's the hugest thing about all this was learning to take it slow, enjoying the process, and just enjoying the food because I didn't enjoy the food before. Like restricting and being hungry all the time.
This is a bullet point here. The food is amazing.
Seriously amazing. Crazy amazing.
And I noticed your skin is like glowing. It's like cleared up so
Yeah.
much.
And that picture he sent us that we gave a little preview in the last video, I was like, oh my God,
Or at least for me it was, to want to do something positive for the environment, for the animals. And I think if you look at it from a diet standpoint, it's going to be just that. It's going to be just to do something because of that, and it won't last. And so I think that's what I have to say to people is kind of to do this and, you know, for just to feel better, to be healthier, and for the right reasons, I guess. I don't know, not just to lose weight, because if you do that, it won't last.
Yeah, so when you pick a goal that's just weight loss, when you get to that goal, it's not a lifetime habit, you know? And when you're thinking about the impact on the environment, not just for yourself, but for maybe your children or the next generation, you know, you're thinking long term. And that's the difference between a diet and a habit. When you pick a healthy, positive habit that helps the planet, helps the animals, helps the environment in every way, helps the health of everybody.
Spud is a must. It's a humongous baked potato with tons of steamed veggies.
Nice.
And then the big burrito, the world's famous burrito.
That is perfect.
Okay, great.
Thank you. Watch this, guys.
Bye, I'll see you later.
This is how it's done.
I'll be at work tomorrow.
Oh, nice work,
Oh
Robbie.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Look at Robbie, man, you have.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Menu hacking.
Do you mind if I ask what that is?
That is papaya and mangoes.
Oh.
You didn't put anything else in it?
That's an old school Diamondback.
Yeah,
Nice colour, man.
I've had it since 1987.
Wow.
And the extra climb. Woo!
We have our ups and downs.
I'm doing this fucking caretaker position here.
What are you doing?
I'm doing this caretaker. Follow the entire story. They will understand his methods and the impact that is followed.
Within 6 months. Jesus.
See, this is funny.
It is funny.
That's a great snap right there. Oh, look at you in the picture too.
Oh, you